So, if you're wondering how long it takes to get your CMA membership, stay till the end. So, the journey started when I received an email for applying for my CMA membership. You might wonder like how long it takes to get your membership, but it needs patience because after receiving the mail saying, "Hey, you can now apply for membership," and I was like, finally, I made it. Then I applied on 13th March 2023. So while you're filling the form, membership form, make sure you fill in all correct details and upload the required documents. And after long wait, after 13th March, I received my membership number through mail on 25th July 2023. And so if you're waiting for yours, remember that it takes time. And later, after 25th July, I received the kit on 3rd November 2023. By the time it was already 8 months. And I received the kit. It had my enrollment letter, my certificate, and the CWA rules and regulation book. But guess what? No badge and tie inside. And then I didn't mail anything to institute. I didn't do any follow up. But after 6 months, on 7th May, like I received the kit on 3rd November. Now, after 6 months, that is on 7th May 2024, I got my badge and tie. So, if you're missing items, don't panic, they will arrive eventually. But let me tell you, this journey wasn't smooth. It was like waiting for food delivery, but instead of 30 minutes, it took over a year.